Meaning of dead end.
Dead end.
Dead end.
Dead end.
Dead end. Dead end refers to a situation or a point where no further progress is possible or desirable, and there is no way to continue in the same direction. It's a road or path that leads to nowhere, and there is no outlet or exit. Dead ends can be metaphorical, such as in a career or a relationship, where there is no hope for advancement or improvement. Dead-end situations may lead to frustration, disappointment, or even despair. It's important to recognize when we've reached a dead end and make the necessary changes to move in a new direction.